Hi business owners, this is your coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series named Kya Karu, specially recorded for you. I often hear business owners tell me that they miss production targets almost every month. Now, if you miss production targets, I am obviously not able to meet my revenue targets. मैं क्या करूं? Now, I do understand that if you miss your production targets, obviously you can't invoice and you miss your revenue targets. I'm sure you have put effective supply chain in your organization. I'm also sure that you have managed to put robust mechanisms to handle quality issues, line stoppage issues, and I'm also sure that you have some mechanism by now to handle absenteeism. These are very common issues which result in production loss. Of course, the exact reasons have to be studied and then attacked. But over the period of time, I am sure all of you have found ways and means to overcome these common issues. I want to discuss today an issue which is really big but not very often discussed. Well, you often lose your production because of market pressures. Because these market pressures result in you changing your production plan rather quickly or at short notices. And you justify it that you are doing this for the market, but it often leads to a major production loss. So what can you do about this? My first advice to you is that please make sure that your sales head does not directly talk to your production head and start giving his priorities every now and then. Now, what really happens here is that the production head tends to oblige the salesperson, and this leads to things like setup changes, or this leads to things like disruption in the material which is available on the line, and you don't realize the amount of production loss that happens because of this reason. Simple solution for this: please make sure that your sales team speaks only to the production planning and control person. You have to ensure the production planning and control person, which is PPC, is a powerful man and he's able to tackle all the sales queries. Now let PPC decide how to accommodate the sudden sales requirement through minimum disruption in production. This one change in your communication pattern will result in a major saving from the perspective of production losses that occur because of sudden changes. Now, of course, you may say that in your line of business, it's very, very important to meet the customer's requirements. I agree with that. There are many businesses which require a lot of flexibility based on the market requirements. So in such cases, please make sure that your PPC person is very customer oriented. It is not an uncommon practice that you actually transfer an experienced salesperson into PPC after giving him due training. Or alternatively, make sure that your PPC person often travels to the market and is exposed to the customer requirements. So this simple action of having the right kind of PPC, powerful, customer oriented, will result in a much smoother meeting of customer requirements as well as meeting of production plans. The second most important reason why you lose production is setup changes. Now this also happens due to market pressures. There is sudden requirements of low quantity ones or twos, and you have to oblige the market, and setup changes take a lot of time. Now I do understand that you have to give in to the market requirements, but please try to create a policy where such non-standard products, the deliveries quoted are not instant. Salespeople often quote standard deliveries like 2 weeks, 4 weeks, depending on your business, for every product. Please do declare a list of products to the salespeople for which only they can quote standard deliveries. Anything outside that list, the process, in my view, should be that they come back to PPC, they talk to PPC, and then quote deliveries. It does feel bad to refuse business, but it may be just worthwhile for you to refuse those ones and twos, which actually result in a much bigger revenue loss for you. So follow this second practice also. Refuse business of ones and twos, or at least make sure that a specific delivery is quoted for those non-standard products. I would even go to the extent of saying that if there is any change in production plan, for instance, in the coming few days, such a change perhaps needs approval of a higher authority, even you. This itself would result in smoothing of these processes. To summarize, remember, business owner, when you lose your production target or miss your production target, you don't just lose revenue. You also lose credibility in the market because somewhere you have committed a delivery which you have not been able to make. So in the end, please follow these two processes. Let salespeople talk to PPC. Let PPC be a strong customer-oriented person. And do not take orders of ones and twos and non-standard products with standard delivery terms. If you follow these two practices, you will reduce your production losses significantly, you will improve your revenue significantly, and not only that, by keeping your promises to the customers, you will actually gain reputation in the market. I hope this Kya Karu talk on how to reduce production losses will help you, and it will help you gain better revenue, better market share in the market in the long run. Thank you very much.